Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply your Verizon e-gift card. If you did sign up for something like fios internet service, they had a e-gift card promotion, and the one I signed up for was $200. So basically after a month or so they'll send you an email with your e-gift card, and then you can apply that, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So here is the email that I got, and down here you'll see the card number and also a card PIN. And once you have that information, you're going to go to your Verizon.com account. So Verizon.com, I'm signed in already. So basically you go to account, then you go to bill, and then payment options, and it's going to show what you have set up already. If you didn't set it up, I did. I have auto pay, but what I'm going to do is change that. So pay with is what we're looking at. We're going to click that, and then add payment method, and then Verizon gift card. Okay, and then those numbers that I showed you, get over here, card number and the PIN number, we're going to put that right here. You can nickname it, you can save it to the account, and then continue. Okay, so I have the numbers put in here. I went to do the nickname, but it's not taking it. So let's click on retrieve card balance, see what goes on with that. And shows 200. Okay, so I'm going to click save to account and then continue. Invalid nickname. Okay, so I'm going to put Verizon e-gift card. Alright. And there we go. So I'm going to make my payment. And pay now. Processing. And so now it is now going to start taking my payment for my fios internet. I have another wireless account too, but in this part it's the internet, and I can probably use the same number for my wireless plan. This is my, like I said again, fios internet at home. And so it's going to start deducting from my card until I guess the balance dwindles out, and then I have to make sure I'll switch back to my checking account. So there you go. Hope this helped you out. If you liked it, I'd appreciate it if you click like, subscribe, all that, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for watching.